Happy birthday, sister. More years to celebrate. Be safe. I love you and I miss you so much.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Manang Len. Happy birthday to you. Happy 60th birthday, Manang Len. I wish you all the best. Good health, strength, pretty, and happiness. Enjoy your special day. Enjoy. God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Ading Polen. Happy 60th birthday. Sa pala ko maginaapot, nasalun at galata nga nayon. Ikan nakakuman ni Apo, iti at atin tumpay nga panagbiag mo. Ito raw ti daga, adupay nga birthday, iti i-celebrate mo ading ko. Kastan, kumusta latan, kumusta kay amin dita, kumusta ni Maymay, asawa na, kasta mo ni Baby Chess. Oo, naglagan na.
Kasabit mo ka. Manaroon tayo anak na.
Abok pa naman.
Ate Apok. Na guwapo. Yung agdak mo na katidun tagsalitan aling ko. Meron ng happy birthday to you.
Kantahan na.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. See you soon, Ading.
kastamit ka. Aling ko.
Oh,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye.
Birthday Kabsat. I love you. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday Kapsat. Sabi ko magtatrabahin na ka kay Apo. Nanayon.
Happy birthday, Angelo. Happy birthday, Mami Len. I miss you. I love you too. Sana mag-ingat ka palagi, Mami, ha. Ingatan mo yung sarili mo, ha, Mami.
Happy birthday, Ipag. Ipag na pa nag-birthday mo. God bless you. Thank you.
Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday! Wishing you good health and I miss you! Hello, Mami! Happy birthday po! Thank you po sa lahat.
I love you.
Lahat po. I love you!
Hello Mami. Good morning. Happy birthday. Ingat ka dyan palagi.
Happy birthday po, Mama Len. Salamat po sa tulong nyo and God bless po.
Hello, Auntie. Happy birthday. Love you. Sapay ko ma, Auntie. Taikan nakapait ni Apo Diyos iti pigsam, kirid, ken salun at mo, ngagnanayon. Happy birthday. May you have birthday to come, Auntie. Love you.
Happy birthday, Auntie Len. Wish you a good health and sana yumaman pa kayo.
Sana po bigyan pa kayo ng madaming blessings ni Lord at sana rin ma-meet ko na kayo next year.
Happy birthday, Mami La. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mami Len. Mag-ingat ka palagi. I love you and I miss you so much. And more birthdays to come and thank you always.
Hello, Mami. Happy birthday and enjoy your birthday po and I wish you all the best. Be healthy and be happy always and take care always, Mami. And I really love you so much po. And I miss you na po. And can't wait to see you na if ba uuwi na po kayo sa atin. So, yun lang po. And more birthday po to come.
A pleasant good day, everyone. On behalf of my family, happy birthday, Auntie. Wish you all the joyful day and a blessed year ahead. More blessings to come, good health, and long life to live. Once again, happy birthday. We love you always, Auntie.
Hello, Ante. Kumusta? Happy birthday. Sana hindi ka magbago. Thank you po sa lahat. Aganos kanti ati, papaay mo kanyami. Thank you. Happy birthday ulit.
Hello, Ante. Happy birthday. Sapay kumata. At ado pa iti. Dumting nga pinag-birthday mo. Sapay kumaag na nayon nga nasalun at ti bagbagame. We love you, Ante.
Happy birthday, Auntie Len. I love you. Sabay kumata. At hupay nga tawin iti. Pinagbiag mo iti. Trabaho nga daga. Agyaman kami iti. Naitultulong mo kada kami iti. Pagnanayon.
Hi, happy birthday, Mommy. I wish you all the best because I know that you deserve all the best things in life. Please know that we are always here for you. You're home, and you can always lean on us whenever life gets tough. See you soon, and happy birthday. I hope you enjoyed your day. Bye.
Hi, Mami Len. Happy birthday po. Ingat po kayo palagi dyan. And more birthday to come po. And thank you po sa lahat-lahat, Mami. Happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday, Lola. We love you. Happy birthday, Tita. We love you. God bless you. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Luz. More birthdays to come. God bless you. I miss you. We love you.
Happy birthday, anak ko. Agyaman kami iti kinasaya at ken saan mo apan ang lipat kada kami. Kahit sapay lakuma nasalunat ka nga agnanayon kahit idaw-dawat ko nga ken apo ka ikan na ka iti napapaot pa nga panagbiag. Kahit ulitek, anak ko, happy birthday maneng. Itatang mo asilin na ito Villa Firme.
Happy birthday, anak ko. Sapay lang kumanya po ta. Parehas tayo pa. Nga manayon tayo. Nga biyag. Ta, kikita tayo tumanan, anak ko. Apo. Dunte, sapay kumanya po ta. Dunte, bendisyon kanya tayo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, my friend. Happy birthday!
Hi, Ate Luz. Happy 60th birthday. Agyaman na kini Apo Diyos, tanadanon mo itakta, dayto nga tawen mo, ket malagip ko, day dimanang ko, nga best friend mo. Agyaman na kini Apo Diyos, taure awan ni manang ko, ket iturturing nak itakta, nga kaskabsat mo, ading mo, ket ikararag ko kini Apo Diyos, nga ikan nakakuma, itad adupay nga birthday, tarabayan nakakuma, nga kanayon, ikan naka iti, good health, tapno iti kasta adupay nga tattao iti matulungam. Be a blessing always, ate, and I love you.
Hello friend. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa iyo good health lagi para malakas pa tayo magtrabaho. Miss ka na namin ng AK group at sa Kabeshi. God bless you always. Love you, friend.
Hello, Len! Good evening dyan, Canada. Good morning dito. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Len. Okay. Wish I wish ko is good health lang always dyan, darling.
Good health.
Wag masyadong work ng work. Lagyan mo ng rest yung katawan para sa ganon, good health lang. Then, wag mag-isip.
Hi Len, happy birthday! Senior citizen ka. Miss you, love you. See you soon. Bye, love you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Len. Wishing you a day of filled with love and joy. Enjoy your special day to the fullest. Happy birthday. Cheers to another great years. Happy birthday.
Blessed and happy birthday to my very best and humble friend. Wishing you a good health and long life. May the Lord God showers all the blessings upon you. God bless you more and more. Miss you. Happy senior citizen, my friend. Laban lang sa buhay. Dito lang kami. Stay strong. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy 60th birthday, Manang. Wish you a good health lagi at sana mag-iingat ka lagi dyan. Kitsapay na po matay ka na kapay niya po di adukan na pinagkasanay. Tatlong tikas takit at ang kumanen ti time and time pinagkikita. Kitsapay na po mata na paragsak na ka uray tikas to ilang na pinangbati di kanyang. Happy birthday, Manang.
Happy 60th birthday, Manang. Sapay ko mga ganda ka pa ni Aputi at ito nga panagbiyan tapos tigas target at upay nga padanon mo nga birthday, Manang. Kaya tagyaman kami maligit na kami lantakan ka na yun tawagan. Sapay ko mga Manang na hanggang nga baliw ka ta kami. Happy birthday, Manang.
Hi, my ever dearest sister Len. Thanks God and happy to hear that you're celebrating your 60th birthday today. Wish you all the best. The Lord bless you and keeps you. The Lord make His face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn His face towards you and give you peace. Enjoy your special day, my dear sister. God bless.